All right, let's show you what's going on. We start with a couple things. Actually, we jumped ahead here, and I'll just go ahead and click on out of this and get you exactly the info we need here. And that starts up at the top, and that is temperature. 60 degrees in the metro area. Southeast winds right now at 10 miles an hour. Pretty mild afternoon, although we're about 4 degrees cooler than we were at this point yesterday, and the wind's not a huge factor. Winds over the next couple of days, though, are going to start to boost up a little bit in response to a storm that's going to head in our direction for Friday and Saturday. 40s and 50s for the north right now, down to the south, 40s, 50s, and even some low 60s around Deming. We have a batch of high clouds, which has pushed its way into central and western sections and back into Arizona. Some pretty thick cloud cover coming off the Pacific. None of this is going to amount to a whole lot, and throughout the day tomorrow, we'll see some clouds early and then plenty of sunshine throughout the area as this starts to clear its way out. And then we watch very carefully a storm system that is right now off the Pacific Northwest coast. That's when we're going to watch for the coming days, and we'll break down your storm report in a minute. So for tonight, fairly mild conditions actually, with a little bit of cloud cover out there. Not going to be all that cold. Tomorrow throughout the day, mild, breezy conditions, sunshine with temperatures back up into the 60s, even warmer on Thursday with gusty winds out there as the storm closes in from Arizona, and it comes into Arizona on Friday and pushes some showers into New Mexico starting on Friday night and likely lasting in throughout Saturday in a scattered fashion. Here's our issue, and let's break down this storm report. I did not think we'd be talking about a bust potential at 60% on this storm, but the trending isn't great. Right now, the storm is off the Pacific Northwest coast. Friday through Sunday is the time frame we're watching. High mountain snows are a likelihood with this storm. Valley rain showers are a possibility here in the metro and very windy conditions down to the south. But the problem with the storm is over the past couple of days, what the models have started to tell us is it's going to draw in some dry air mixing with some of this moisture. And when that happens, it greatly limits the storm's ability to produce widespread rain and snow. A couple days ago, this thing looked great, like most of the state would at least have a chance to get some wetting rain. It doesn't look that way now. It does look like a good storm, but one that we've seen before this winter. So we'll keep you posted on that as we get a little closer, and we'll continue to monitor the bust potential as well. We'll have more coming up tonight at 9 and 10. Temperatures for the most part in the 60s across the northwest for tomorrow. Chance at showers starts Friday and lasts into early Sunday. Across the southwest, temperatures here in the 60s and 70s. Not bad next couple of days. 73 on Thursday with some gusty winds across the southwest. Then you guys start to get a chance at showers. Southeast, temperatures for the most part in the 60s. Roswell, Lovington, Carlsbad, high 70s though by Thursday. Northeast temperatures for the most part 50s and 60s. Winds out of the south 10 to 15. Chance at a mix on Saturday into Sunday. Northern mountains, you guys have the best chance to pick up a pretty good mountain snowstorm as this thing lifts on through the state late Friday and Saturday. So the resorts could do okay, but it's going to be a relatively warm storm, so be prepared for snow levels above 8,000 feet. 60, Cedar Crest, 65 in Edgewood, and 64 in Harris, and finally right here in the metro area. Temperatures for the most part in the high 60s tomorrow. We may see some clouds early, but a lot of sunshine in the afternoon. A really nice day, actually. And Thursday, you'll notice the winds, but the temperatures will be very comfortable, and then we'll watch for that chance of showers late Friday and into Saturday.
We'll just keep trying.
Yep.
Where we are.
Sports is next.